In last videos we have discussed past perfect tense, and we have seen the structure of past perfect tense is subject plus had plus V3. Today we are going to discuss the past perfect progressive tense. It is like present perfect progressive tense. There is only a difference between the helping verb. There we have and has helping verb. Here we have had as a helping verb. This is the basic difference between the past perfect progressive tense and present perfect progressive tense. We have discussed in last video while explaining the past perfect tense. We have seen when we have two actions completed in the past, when we have to decide the sequence of that particular actions. In that case, we generally when the previous action, while deciding the sequence of that particular action, we have seen the earlier action we have to decide. The earlier action we use past perfect tense, and latter action to decide the latter action we use simple past tense. So what is the use of then past perfect tense? We have seen when we have to describe the previous action. In that case we use past perfect tense, and latter action to decide latter action we use simple past tense. In the same way, today we are going to discuss the past perfect progressive tense. So the structure of this past perfect progressive tense that is given in bracket, that is had been walking. For example, means subject plus had plus been plus V1 plus ing. That is the structure of past perfect progressive tense. What is subject plus had been plus V1 plus ing? Means we add suffix ing to the base form of verb. In the past perfect progressive tense, the present participle form of verb is used. Present participle means V1 plus ing. Ing suffix, we add suffix ing to the base form of verb. Base form means V1. First form of verb V1, we add suffix ing to the base form. That is called present participle of verb. The present participle of verb form is used together with the helping verb had and followed by been. In short, we have to keep in mind the structure of subject plus had been plus present participle of verb means V1 plus ing. This is structure of past progressive tense. For example, a friend called from Chennai this morning, and he told me that he had been trying to contact me for the past 2 days. See here, a friend called from Chennai this morning. This sentence has been given in simple past tense. A friend called me from Chennai this morning. Then what he told me then? He told me that he had been trying to contact me for the past 2 days. He had been trying to contact. He had been trying. This sentence is in past perfect progressive tense. What is the use of past perfect progressive tense? While discussing this particular sentence, we come to know that a friend from Chennai called me this morning, and he told me that he had been trying to contact me for the past 2 days. The certain action, the friend called me, this action happened in past tense. But before that action, what is action? Called from Chennai. A friend called from Chennai. This is action that had been done in past this morning. But before that, there was something going on. Before that, there was something going on. Means when some action happened, before that action, there was something going on. What was going on there? he had been trying to call me for past 2 days. Means from last 2 days he was trying and trying, but he called me this morning when he said me that. This morning means 2 days. When that particular action, he called me this morning, this action also happened in the past, but before that action happened, there was another action that was in progress for past 2 days. So for discussing that action that was going on, when some action happened, means he called me, this action happened. Before that action there was another action that was going on, and what was that action? He had been trying to call me. To denote this action, to denote this duration of that particular action, means at certain point in the past, before that certain point, there was another action going on. To describe that going on, that continuing action, we generally use past perfect progressive tense. So from this sentence we come to know that when something happened this morning, what happened? My friend called me and he told me that he had been trying to contact me. So we get the idea that that particular action was going on for 2 days. This is action. To describe this action, we generally use past perfect progressive tense. A verb in the past progressive tense form is used to show that an action had already begun and was in progress when second action was done. Action had already begun. Which action? He had been trying. He had tried. He started trying from past before 2 days, and that action was continue for 2 days, and after that some action happened. Which action? He called me this morning. In such when two actions are there, the before the action which we describe with the help of simple past tense, before that action there was something going on. To describe that previous action, we used past perfect progressive tense. Here is also we can guess the sequence of actions. The actions which we used, we describe with the help of simple past tense, that is latter action, and before that action there was something going on. That action we describe with the help of past progressive tense. For example, I switched off the engine. This is action which had been running for 6 hours, means the running of that particular engine was started before 6 hours, and that 6 hours that particular action was continue, and then another action happened, which is another action? I switched off engine. So this is a latter action. Before that action there was another action that was going on, which is that action which has been running, that is previous action. That previous action we describe with the help of past perfect progressive tense. It had been raining since 3 morning. It had been raining since 3 morning. Here we get the idea that raining was continue for the since 3 in morning before from the 3 o'clock, that particular raining was in continuous in progress, and the plane could not take off. This is another action. Plane could not take off because it had been raining since 3 morning, and that's why plane could not take off. So in sequence we come to know that when the both actions are there, one is progressive. In progressive, when something happened before that action, there was another action that was in progress. To describe that progressive action, we use past perfect progressive tense. I guess you must have understood this portion, and tomorrow we will discuss the future tense. Thank you.